If you are looking at adding another form of security to your private space or office, CAMDUCK-XN is a hidden camera charger with night vision capability. This looks like a normal power extension board, but it comes with a hidden camera that can capture unwanted or unauthorized people accessing your private space, such as your office room. This hidden camera can also be used to watch your pets. You can also use it to monitor inside your home, but make sure everyone at home knows about where the camera is recording. TechTube TV is a channel about discovering consumer gadgets and technology-related products. If you are into these topics, consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future contents. Now let's get into CAMDUCK camera unboxing and review video. The CAMDUCK box is very simple, with just the logo and brand printed on it. Now let's open this box and see its contents. These are everything that came in the box. This is the wall plug power board with a hidden security camera. A micro SD card reader is included. It has a USB interface. Micro SD card was not included, so I will need to get one separately. This is a removal tool to open the hidden micro SD card cover. A fixing screw for the power charger board. A simple yet useful user manual that shows all the important information step by step. Let's look at the design and functionality of this Wi-Fi camera power extension board. The casing is solid hard plastic and comes in black color. At the front are 4 AC power outlets, and these are the USA or North America power pins. There are 2 USB Type-A and 1 USB Type-C 5 volts, 2.1 ampere ports to charge devices. I'm not too sure about this, but it might be the microphone. This small hole with an R is the reset button pinhole and the built-in indicator light. At the bottom is the infrared lamp for low-light video recording. The middle hole is for the screw to fix this power board to the wall. Now, can you see the camera? No? Can you guess where the camera is located? The camera is not easily visible due to the glossy plastic. But if you look at a certain angle, you will be able to see the round camera and lens, which seems to be the size of mobile phone camera lenses. At the back are the power pins, and this is the cover that can be opened by using this removal tool. Inside is the SD card slot, which supports up to 256 gigabytes, and according to CAMDUCK website, it is capable of storing up to 25 days of video. At the top is a curved edge that acts as a mobile phone holder. When this board is plugged into the wall power, you can place a phone at the top and connect a charging cable. This is a simple and straightforward device. Now let's set it up. It is important to insert a micro SD card so that videos are automatically saved into it. This didn't come with a micro SD card and I purchased it separately. Now, plug it into a power plug and turn on power. There is a flashing blue indicator light and a stable red indicator light. In around a minute, both lights will go out and the device automatically enters into recording mode. The videos are automatically saved into the micro SD card. To view the recorded videos, you will need a mobile phone app called CAMDUCK. Install the app. Viewing via website or computer is not supported. Launch the app and give it the necessary permissions. Once the app has been installed, click the Start button. To add the camera, click on the plus icon at the top right of the CAMDUCK app. If any of the required permissions are not available, the app will prompt you to enable them. Bluetooth is turned off for me, so I will turn it on now. The app has now automatically detected the camera and displays its name. Next, select the camera name and you will be asked to log into a Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password and make sure you are within the signal coverage area. The app will now try to connect to the camera. In my case, it took 33 seconds and then it listed the camera on the app's home interface. To play live video, tap on the camera play button. Tips are shown here. Just press the OK button. While viewing live video, you can use pinch action to zoom in or zoom out. Here is the video live view, which is selected as 4K quality. As you can see here, there is a slight lag between my action and the video shown on the phone. This is normal for wireless connection, and I feel the lag is not too much. This camera supports mobile phone viewing without using the internet connection. Now let's test that. Tap the plus button, and here you have 2 setup options. I am going to choose the close range monitor setting option, which allows direct video viewing without the internet. Select the option and let the system configure itself. Here, I'm supposed to monitor the indicator light and select the applicable choice. But it looks like I may have missed the indicator light. Let's go back, and it looks like the camera has already been added. The camera details are already here. Now, let's test the direct video viewing without internet function. I'm turning off the Wi-Fi on this phone. Back on the app home screen, tap on the camera play button to stream live view from the powerboard camera. The direct connection works well, and it was also easy to set up. I can confirm that the Wi-Fi connection is still turned off. The CAMDUCK app interface is quite straightforward. This is the home screen with one camera already set up. If you set up more cameras, they will appear as additional boxes on the Devices tab page. The next is the Products tab, which seems like a web page showing all CAMDUCK products. The User Manual tab has links to video tutorials, user manual, and frequently asked question. The Contact Us tab has CAMDUCK support details via WhatsApp, phone, and email. On the camera window, selecting the alarm message shows a list of motion detection reports. Clicking on Album shows a collection of videos on this tab and pictures on the next tab. Clicking on SD file shows all video recordings. Normal recordings are 10-minute long videos which are recorded in a loop. Alarm recordings are videos that are recorded when motion is detected. If you tap on a file, you can choose to play or download it. The settings will allow you to configure the camera. There are camera details, network details and configuration, time settings, SD card settings, restore factory settings, and delete camera option. Recording status is where you can choose if the camera records continuously or record when motion is detected. While in the camera live view mode, there are additional buttons here: the photo button to take an image snapshot, a rec button to manually record video, and a max button to view video in full screen. The CAMDUCK app has 1080 and 4K video selection options here. I tested both options. This is the 1080 video, and when checking on the video information, the resolution shown is 1920 x 1088. This is the video recorded while having 4K selected, and when checking on the video information, the resolution is also shown as 1920 by 1088. Somehow it did not record in 4K resolution. This device is so simple to set up, easy steps for beginners. Being a spy camera, it is a great security device to protect spaces such as private office rooms. The camera is cleverly hidden in a fully functional power extension and charging board. There are two types of recording options: a continuous loop recording mode and a motion detection recording mode. The hidden camera records video both in bright or low light conditions. Although I've selected the 4K option, the recorded file shows as 1080. Hopefully, it is a software issue that can be fixed in future updates. The camera angle is fixed, and there is no flexibility in positioning when the power board is fixed to a wall power socket. So the recording area can be limited. Overall, this is a good security device to complement your home or office security system. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.